I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. This is my first video. If you hear my brother say help, it's because he keeps on getting stuck by the car. Well, like, he keeps on getting stuck somewhere, and it's really weird. I got some crackers, some old crackers. There's a bee. Bzzz. Anyways, please do not get close to me. Please. Oh my god, that's scary. I don't really like bees. Anyways, let's give them some crackers. We're going to snap them in half. That wasn't in half. Oh, I missed. There. Give them a lot more. They have seeds in them, and they have some nice good crackers. They're expired, but I think the chickens like it. Hopefully. And we'll just put some in their shed. Okay, that'll be it. So I'm gonna put these up here on the side. Oh, there you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna do rock hunting. I just found some good rocks, and yeah. Okay, so let's go. So this is where the rock pile is. Put the basket down like this. Okay, now let's take some rocks. So I'm gonna do something like this. Every subscriber equals 1 rock. Every like equals also 1 rock. I don't really get comments, so every subscriber, every comment equals 2 rocks. And if you guys could do all, that makes 4 rocks. I'll check next week to see how it goes. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna find some pointy rocks. That's all we need. So we need pointy rocks, round circle rocks, and like a little weird shaped rocks. What is this? That looks like a love heart or something. Or a heart. Looks like a heart. So yeah. That. This rock maybe. Okay. That should be enough rocks. Okay, now we're going to put them around over there somewhere. Here in this red bench, I need to put all of the rocks down. And if we don't have the ones that fell in all of these squares, that means we need to find more. It's okay if, at least if we get half of them, that means we'll still be good. Okay, so that's half of it, so yeah, that's all good. He's back in. Okay, let's go. After rocks, we go flower picking. And by the way, I collect eggs too. Flower picking. Let's go. I have to climb up the trees to try and get some perfect flowers. Let's go. He's going to be my helper for today. Let's see if we can try and get close up to the trees. Let's go. See if we could shake some down. Or try to get close. Got a perfect one? Got one. My brother Aiden is going to just support me. Because there's no way he can get up there. Maybe I might use these wooden planks. Try and get somewhere up. Okay, let's see. If there might be a part 2 of this, so yeah, let's go. Okay, let's try and climb up the tree. got another one, and one that fell off. Oops. Few very beautiful flowers. Don't think I can get them that were over here. They're too high. So I think that'll be it for today. We have 3 beautiful flowers, a couple of rocks, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, stay tuned for me. I'm graving the eggs every day, so I'll be posting every weekends. So yeah, bye.